Good morning everybody. Right, in today's video what we're going to do is go through a solution of the very slow filling to get to the very top of your fuel tank on BMWs. We are using an S1000XR for this. I'm sure you'll all know yourself, when you're trying to fill up to get the last litre and a half in, you have to dribble. Little tiny bit, let the air come out, little tiny bit, let the air come out. The simple solution is to put a couple of holes in the neck to let the air fill out as the fuel level is coming up. You can get fuel filled right to the top with no issues whatsoever. All you need is a T25 torque for all of these. I've used a pair of long nose pliers to get the breather pipes off, and somewhere around a 5 or 6mm drill bit for a couple of holes. Now in the following video, the only thing I would have done better is when I've got the assembly out, when I'm drilling our holes, I've done it with this closed, and you can hit the bit in the centre that drops through if you're drilling too far. So once you've got the assembly out, if you open the cap up, when you drill the holes you've got all the space to go through without catching anything. And that's it. I hope you like the following video. I hope it's helpful. Right then, quick video. I keep hearing many stories over the years of people struggling to fill BMW fuel tanks up. There is an easy cure. I don't know how well you can see, I've got two small holes in there on my old tank. We're going to do with the new bike now. So all we do, remove that screw, that black plastic just lifts off, we end up with this. Have your two breather pipes, just gently pull them off. I've just put the bungees to hold them out of the way. Then there's these 6 screws here we remove. The last 2 to do. And the whole neck filler comes up. Just be careful about any dirt in there and the gasket. You can see there. There's a gasket, make sure it's clean and be careful when you put it on to make sure it goes in right. So all we're looking at is on the high side of the tank, when the bike is on its side stand, which is this side, we're going to drill 2 small holes in the neck near the top. And that'll allow the air to escape while the fuel is coming up. So, I'm ready prepared here. So all we are doing is very simply, that goes about 10mm down from the top. That's one hole. The gasket come out of the way. And a few mil round. Put another one in. Make sure there's no muck left in there. Get all the bits of plastic off. Now you can see where the holes are just in there. That's going to be on the top side. It's all good. Close that back up. Put this one back on. Sits nicely. Make sure that sits over that little breather bit there. Press it on. All sat nice. And then just simply then, you're making sure that's all clean. Put it back in. You'll just sit in like so. That's back in. Put those back on. Put the plastic back on. Job done. And hopefully hopefully you can fill your BMW tanks a lot easier. This is for the S1000XR I've done this on. But I believe that a lot of BMWs, GSs, etc. all the same. Yeah, if you like the video, press a like.